guys.
Hey
Welcome
guys.
back to the channel to all our ChriSamz's family. If you're not yet a part of the family, you know exactly what to do. Alright. So today, as you can see, we have a lot of stuff back there on the desk in front of us. Well, it's not a lot, it's just a few.
Yeah.
But we're doing a mini Amazon haul. Right? And Samuel is excited for this haul, even though he don't know what is inside of the box.
Once it's a box and it's sealed, it is a present to him.
Samuel, it's not a present, okay? It's not a present. It's not a present. Alright, so we're just going to go through the items, and while we open them, I'll just put the cost on screen for you guys, as well as no, not ice cream. I never said ice cream. Alright, and also a link in the description where exactly you can go to purchase these items. Alright? Yes, it's a box. It's a box. Okay. Finish now? Alright, go and look at it. Soon call it. Soon call it.
Daddy?
Yes? Yes, I'll soon call it. Play with the car. Alright guys, so like I was saying before, Samuel told us to shush. I'll put the link in the description, as well as I'll put the price on screen while we go through the items. Alright, you ready?
Long time. Okay, you love getting started.
Alright, so
Right.
here. You don't want to put something for the bottom?
Wait, no man. Okay. I'm gonna go along in the car. Sometimes I have to get what to do for them. Alright, for this now, it's just some thank you bags. Y'all probably wondering what we're doing with these, but you can go follow the page, ChriSamz's
Fashion Boutique on Instagram. I'll put that down below as well, so you guys can just follow the link, go over there and follow the page, and just keep yourself posted as we post things on the page. Alright guys? So it's a new business that we're venturing into right now. So just go ahead and continue to support, and we'll keep you posted.
Oh my.
Samuel, give that to me please.
Alright, next thing in here. Alright, so two kiddies glasses in here. With this now, since we did the cookie video with Samuel, every day Samuel wants to bake cake. So that's our thing. This is something to help with a video that we'll be doing, cake pops. So yeah, let's see how that turns out.
Stay tuned for that, guys. You don't want to miss it. Put this beside you. Alright. And this is already out of the box, but I'll let Samuel tell you what the system should be the purpose for this.
Okay guys, I'm gonna do organized stuff, right? So I bought this to put in the cupboard. I couldn't wait till we do the video. I just want to start out, so that's why it's open already. So it's actually two of them. So one is now inside the cupboard. You know, you put your seasoning and stuff on it. It make it look more organized. You get me? So yeah.
So everything is on a different level. So you know, so once you're a high shelf seasoning, you can't go on the lower. Sorry, organization is something thing. So yeah, we'll put this one aside. Alright, so this one just says a feet board. Where is it?
Oh, yeah, no. I ordered, if this is the clip for it should be right. So with this now, I wanted one with the magnet at the back of it so that I can place it on the fridge. So when Chris go in and finish something and it was the last of it or whatever, then he can make a note so I know that when I'm doing shopping for grocery, I know exactly what is finished. So, yeah. Well,
Should I put that spice up for the
I'm
fridge? I'm going to turn on writing board for a second.
yeah. But, yeah, I can't wait to put this on.
And then also in the box, why this stuff?
Well,
I'm supposed to get more things with this.
then probably there is something in the box.
So guys, the box kind of looks small, but this is a
Liner.
clipper or line or whatever you guys want to call it. So you know, from time to time, someone and I will go to the barber shop. I'll try to do something for myself. So we bought this clipper so that we can get sharp lines. Alright? So based on what I ordered, oh, it's here.
Yeah, no, nothing. Everything must be in the box.
Alright, so in the box we got a little cape. I think someone will love this to take some hair off him. So that's what I really wanted to confirm. We have scissors, brush,
like makeup
a comb, not for you. And then we have our clipper right here. Alright. So if you guys are interested in doing your own hair, you don't have time to go to the barber shop, or you go to the barber shop but you don't want to have to do it every week, you can get yourself one of these clippers. Practice makes perfect. You're not getting it right the first time, but just continue and you will be fine. Alright? And we're saving this box for last. Let's get into this one.
Someone saying thank you.
More bubbles. Here you go. Alright, you can pop them, alright? Good. Alright guys, so airtight food storage container. This is for Sammy.
Me once again.
And it comes in a set of 10.
It all comes down to
organizing.
God, I'm
So Sammy will be labeling these things.
a label message for it. So I think I see it on the bottom.
Who is that?
Yeah. Guys, I just want to organize all some stuff. You get me? Pour them in these containers and put what's in it on here. Perfect. Perfect.
So 2, 4, 6. Sammy, you get 10 containers, 10 labels.
Oh.
How much more are you on?
Next order label machine separate.
Just in case you order them separate, you guys will see that in another video. So yeah, I guess when you guys are watching the baking or the cooking videos, you might get a glimpse of these containers in that video as well. And Mr. Chef here cannot wait. Chef don't tell people this.
Breakers. I don't know.
Alright. So guys, they said that if you have liquid in the container, you can actually turn it upside down and the liquid will not spill from it. So you guys can definitely check these out. Remember, the link is in the description of the video, and they are very reasonable. And you can put them in the fridge, you can put them in your pantry or your cupboard. So it's multi-purpose. It's not just for your rice and sugar. For persons who like soak their fruits for Christmas from the summertime, you can go right ahead and get that done. Alright?
And the next thing we need is different sizes.
So you have different sizes. So you have some for your fridge, some for wherever. Don't worry about it. You can check it out on Amazon and you will see what they have there. Huh? Alright. Alright guys, so we're down to our final package. And this one I am very excited about. You're excited? Me too. I'm going to open it now, okay?
Yeah.
Alright. You want to come around this side?
Yeah.
Alright, come around. Sit. You're excited?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to open it for you. Wait.
Mommy, eat wow.
So am I going to get a drum roll for this one? You get a drum roll, Sam?
Yeah.
Give me a drum roll. Poor boy. Alright, so guys, this is actually a balloon stand, backdrop stand, party stand, whatever it is that you'll be using it for. We purchased this so that we can do a backdrop for our videos. So especially like this one that we're doing now, going forward, then again you'll see another video. You'll see another video where we will be setting this up with our backdrop. So after this video, once we're doing a sit down video, this will be a part of the setup for the background, alright? So this is what it comes in. It's a stand. I think the size is, it can go up to 10 feet wide as well as up to 8.5 feet in height. So that should cover a lot of space. And I'm excited to set this up. Very excited, so you guys can check it out. Remember where you can find the link. And guys, I think this is the end of our mini Amazon haul. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you're interested in seeing how we use these products, please stick around to the channel. Yes. We'll definitely be using all of these items that we purchase, and you guys can just go ahead, make your purchase as well. Especially if you're into taking pictures, doing videos, I recommend this backdrop stand. So Sam, you have anything else you want to say? Then to tell them to go purchase some stuff?
That's it.
Balloon? Okay, so tell them to go and buy balloons?
Yeah.
Okay, you tell them.
Buy balloon.
Show them the picture and tell them to go and buy the balloon. Turn it around. Say, guys, go and
Buy balloon.
exactly. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and we will definitely catch you in another one. So until then, ChriSamz's family, that's who you are now. Take care and bye-bye. Tell them bye.
Bye.